Today's Friday, July 14th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado air conditioning component setup for my friend Bill out in California. This includes a replacement evaporator, the original Frigidaire single pulley 76 Eldorado air compressor for the non-smog pump California edition vehicles that had a single pulley. Okay, this is an original A6 cast iron body Frigidaire, period correct, 1976 Cadillac Eldorado compressor, and the valve in receiver unit for configuration in both R134 as well as the original R12. Because back in the day, if we look at the label, what we had was refrigerant being R12. And of course, that can be upgraded through the tunable adapter to R134. Okay, in this upgrade to the valve-in receiver. So we have the valve-in receiver upgrade, we have the cast iron original Frigidaire compressor, and the evaporator all going to my friend Bill. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. That also includes the record radiators and condensers, okay, and a host of other difficult, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Friday, July 14th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.